guys, I'm Tossin. I'm with the Beauticianchic and I'm about to be popping.
Hey guys, we about to be popping. She's about to be popping. Okay, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys leave us beautiful comments. Okay, like, comment, share with your family and friends. Okay, leave Tosi beautiful comments. She'll be reading. Okay. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we're gonna be doing the cornrow. So we're gonna be doing the cornrow all to the back because you're gonna be wearing wigs. So everything to the back, the cornrow. After that, she's gonna be wearing a closure wig. You guys are gonna see her straight closure wig. I think closure wig is easy to closures are easy to maintain than frontal. You know, it's a good thing because it's your first wig that you start with closure. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, because with frontal, because you start with closure. With frontal is high maintenance. Because you need to worry about the gluing. This one you don't need to glue. Nothing. You don't need to do nothing. You can glue, but there's no point really, because it's just the lace is just in the middle. And if you start gluing it, then you have to be gluing it. Do you get what I mean?
Oh, so once you glue, you have to glue.
Because now you have already put glue. You know, you've already customized it for gluing. And there's already a little bit of glue, so you want to be gluing it more. I always tell people when you buy closure, you want to be wearing it like every day. You know, there's no point to glue it. You know, especially because you are not a wig person. You've not been using wig. So you're going to struggle trying to maintain the gluing business. It's good for people who know what they are doing. You know, but you can glue it later when you get comfortable. Then you can just glue the front, because you can just glue just the front. You know, you can watch some videos on YouTube.
Maybe for the end.
Yeah, but you can use it for months before you even start doing anything to it. Because otherwise you struggle. The worst thing about wig is to do it and don't do it well. That's why I say if you don't know how to do it, don't bother. Because otherwise you will look a mess. You're like, okay, what is this? Especially people that do baby hair. And they drag the baby hair to their forehead. You're like, is this baby hair or adult hair? You know, it's supposed to be baby hair, but it's already in front of their forehead. How is that even baby hair? That's not adult. I like my hot water.
Oh, you even drink.
Yeah, but just gives me that, like the way Coke will do to my body. Yeah, it does give me that, you know, kind of. So me and you are swimming now. Mine is longer.
Yeah. How many inches is this one?
I think it's 13.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh no, it's layered. I have some.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I have like, no, maybe longer. This is shorter than your one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think I have like 16 or 14 there. But I dyed my own black.
Oh, you dyed it?
Black.
Okay.
Because it doesn't come black. It comes in natural black.
Oh.
But it's washing away. If you notice, some bits are like washing off. If you notice, some bits are black.
Yeah. Wow.
You can see, isn't it? Some bits are like looking like warm bee, isn't it? Because the more I wash it, some of them are going. It was proper black.
Yeah,
because
black.
I'm light. I like when it's black.
Contrast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suits me. But this one suits your complexion. When it's too dark, I don't know. Because me, when it's too black, it suits me. So most I just buy black dye. I dye proper black. Yeah. Do you have hot comb?
I think my mom bought one maybe a long time ago.
Oh, does she use it?
No.
She just bought it and she doesn't use it.
Like she saw that
People are using it. Oh God.
But she doesn't know how to do.
People just buy things online. They're like, oh, one YouTuber using it. They just buy. Maybe she doesn't know how to use it. She's like, I can't come and kill myself. Let me just keep it there. No, I can't come and kill myself. No. Because he makes it like thin. Yeah, like very flat.
Yeah, I can see
that. Wow. Girl, you're popping. Wow. Wow. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use like a hot comb just to press both of them.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. I'm jealous. I am jealous. Because now you're looking like Naomi Campbell. Naomi Campbell has got nothing on here. She has got nothing. Wow, this brows is popping. All the viewers, they better give me a like thumbs up for this brow. Just for the brows alone, you guys. Thumbs up for this brows. The brows is slaying. Just thumbs up. If you have not liked this video, just like it just for these brows. Also, you guys need to check out my chair. The chair is comfortable. Allows me to do makeup, allows me to do hair because I can adjust it. Also, is it comfortable though, the way you're sitting?
Very, yeah.
Okay. Because it's not just for me, it needs to be comfortable for the client as well. Because your leg is at the top, isn't it? Your leg is not on the floor. So even when I take it up, you can, you know, it's not like you need to struggle to lay your leg. Hey, this hair link is going to be in the description box. You can just buy it. Okay. This is 18 inches. Closure wig. HD closure wig. She's going to be popping. So what I'm going to do now, I know why you'd like to do your liner. You have the eye.
Oh, yeah.
Not everyone can do it on the eye.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it has like a small wig, small wig.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's going to look nice for this look. It's going to be perfect. Perfect for this look. Some girls on TikTok, they know how to take care of their hair though. When I see some girls, like some young girls, I think they spend time on their hair, they hot comb it.
Yeah.
They do the most. And even me, myself, when I see them, I'm like, okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
These girls, they started from when they were
Isn't
young,
it?
and they've built.
Yeah. These girls, they can do their makeup, do whatnot. And I'm like, okay. You know, we are trying these days, you know. They're watching it. I think they're sleeping on YouTube as well.
Oh, wow.
Learning new skills.
Yeah, for sure.
Practicing on themselves. Those ones, that's the kind of people that will not have money in their account.
Buying.
Yes.
Yeah.
They'll be buying everything they see online. They end up not having any money. Some coins. Yeah, you can do whatever.
Okay.
You know, but maybe just wear it straight for some time.
Yeah.
Because with the coiling, you have to have the coiling tools and the maintenance might stress you, yeah. So that's why I say get used to it straight. You know,
and then I can start
thank you
playing around.
Yeah, but what you need to do is anytime you wear it out, before you take it out, you brush it.
Okay.
Before you keep it. Because what people do is sometimes they take off their wig, they don't brush it. So they tangles and before you know they start getting problem because it's like there, stuff there, you don't comb it. You know. Now you start having problem with your hair. I know, you're looking good. Good. I really love the way I did your brows.
Yeah, so nice.
Isn't it?
Perfect.
Look like you're going to a red carpet. Don't worry, one day you're going to go to a red carpet. Yes. and I'm gonna glam you up.
Yeah. I'll take you.
Yes. This is our finished look. My model slayed to perfection. She told you guys though. She warned you guys. She's not playing when she told you guys she's about to be popping. She warned you guys. At least you're not gonna say she didn't tell you guys. None of you can say she didn't say. She did say. She warned you guys. And yes, she did pop. She warned you guys. Wow, girl. Wow. Girl. Wow, your mother is gonna like freak out when she sees it. She won't believe this is you. That this is her daughter. You know what? Actually enough, you now look like a picture she sent to me.
Hey, true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Isn't it?
Yeah, for real.
I don't know what name coach the lady have, but it looking some kind of this lip. I have to go and check again, but my head is telling me that it look like
Similar, yeah.
Isn't it? You didn't just get the hair, you got the whole look. So you got everything. Oh wow. Yeah. So let's so you can see. Wow. Yeah, this is nice.
Looks so good.
Do you like it?
So good.
It's very soft as well. The eyes is soft.
Exactly. It's different.
Yeah, it's soft.
Yeah.
It's still like the edgy, the how you like your makeup.
Exactly, it's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, let's zoom in out so they can see the length of the hair as well. Zoom out. Oh wow. So that's the hair. Everything is gonna be in the description box. Link to the chair. Okay. And the hair. Okay. Guys, I'm available for booking as well. If you're in Nottingham and you're looking for a hairdresser, a makeup artist, here you have me. Okay. Book. And I will slay you. Glam. Oh wow, girl. Okay, we're done, guys. So that's the look, final look, guys. Final look, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Tell me what you think about this soft, beautiful look. Okay, bye, guys. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow.